I have been using the Shure MV7 for a few months now. I love it, but there are a few things you should be aware of right after your purchase. By the way, I also got the Rode PSA1 microphone arm. So back to the Shure MV7. The first thing you should do is to wrap the bracket here with electric tape so it doesn't bang and scratch or dent your metal case. And it's like a black coated. So as you can see, I have already scratched this part. So make sure you wrap it with electric tape. It's not super visible from a distance. And second, this is a must. You should do the cable routing and wrapping like so it does not get loose. Sometimes it will get disconnected and bended badly. As you can see, it's already bended. This is the USB cable that came with the Shure MV7, and it's really loose now because I move around the microphone a lot. So now if you use a tape, maybe you can do a better job at this. Another electric tape to wrap it around like so to secure the cable. Maybe it will not get bended or disconnect unexpectedly. Otherwise, it's a fantastic microphone. I absolutely enjoy using it. And the Rode PSC1 arm is a great purchase as well. As you can see, it extends really long. That's 42 inches from the base to the tip of this microphone. Quite stable, and it will stay there wherever I put it. It's not gonna move at all. Super stable, and it goes really low or really high in a second. It came with 3 zip tie cable management, and the cable is not really really visible right there. The included USB cable is sufficient. Super long. It goes all the way there under my desk. That's the mini PC I'm using for Amazon live streaming. So there you go. That's my messy cable management under the desk. Such a long cable from Shure. So as you can see, this thing is insufficient. I should get a longer electric tape so it will move less. It has a tendency to bend up, of course, and eventually it will damage the micro USB cable, and hopefully it won't get stuck in there when it breaks. Built like a tank.